Have you ever wondered what the most beautiful places in Australia are? Well, ponder no more. We're about to embark on an epic journey, uncovering the top 30 most stunning spots Australia has to offer. From famous tourist hotspots to hidden treasures only locals know about, this countdown has it all. Each location holds its unique charm, promising a feast for the eyes. So buckle up as we take you on a virtual tour of the 30 most beautiful places in Australia. Starting our countdown, at number 30 we have the mesmerizing Lake Hillier. This natural wonder is famous for its striking pink hue, a sight that is breathtakingly unique. Nestled on Middle Island, the largest of the Researcher archipelago, Lake Hillier is a must-visit for those looking for something out of the ordinary. Moving on to number 29, we find ourselves in the heart of Australia at Uluru. This iconic red sandstone formation is more than just a geological wonder. It's a deeply spiritual place for the indigenous Anangu people. Standing at a staggering 348 meters high, Uluru's dramatic silhouette against the Outback sky is an unforgettable sight. At number 28 we have the 12 Apostles, a collection of limestone stacks off the shore of the Port Campbell National Park. These majestic natural pillars rise from the Southern Ocean, creating a stunning seascape that is a testament to the relentless power of nature. Next, at number 27, we have the Blue Mountains National Park, a World Heritage Site just a short drive from Sydney. Known for its dramatic scenery, it features steep cliffs, eucalyptus forests, waterfalls and villages dotted with guest houses, galleries and gardens. The Three Sisters Rock Formation is a major draw, offering breathtaking views, especially at sunset. At number 26, we venture into the underwater wonderland of the Great Barrier Reef. This is the largest coral reef system in the world, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. Home to a dizzying array of marine life, it's a paradise for divers and snorkelers. And those were places 30 to 26. Let's keep moving. Moving forward, at number 25, we have the enchanting Whitsunday Islands. A collection of 74 islands off the central coast of Queensland, the Whitsundays are a paradise for beach lovers, sailors and snorkelers, offering a unique blend of tranquility and adventure. The island's azure waters and vibrant coral reefs make them a must-visit spot for nature enthusiasts. Coming in at 24, we're introducing you to the awe-inspiring Pinnacles Desert. Located in Nambung National Park, Western Australia, this desert is home to thousands of limestone formations that rise mysteriously from the sands. The pinnacles, with their eerie beauty, offer an unforgettable experience, especially at dawn or dusk when the shadows create a striking contrast against the golden sands. At 23, we have the iconic Sydney Opera House. This architectural marvel, with its sail-like design, is not just a symbol of Sydney, but of Australia as a whole. It's a hive of cultural activity, hosting a wide array of performances ranging from opera to contemporary dance. Its stunning location at Sydney Harbour adds to its appeal, making it a must-see for any visitor to the city. Number 22 takes us to the Northern Territory, to the heart-stopping beauty of Kakadu National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of Aboriginal culture, unique wildlife, and diverse landscapes. From its ancient rock art to its dramatic waterfalls and wetlands teeming with birds, Kakadu is a place of incredible natural and cultural richness. Finally, at 21, we find ourselves in the lively city of Melbourne. Known for its vibrant art scene, world-class dining, and sporting culture, Melbourne offers a dynamic mix of attractions. Whether you're exploring its quaint laneways, catching a game at the Melbourne Cricket Ground, or enjoying a sunset at St Kilda Beach, you're sure to fall in love with this city's charm. And those were places 25 to 21. We're just getting started. Continuing our journey, at number 20, we have the enchanting Daintree Rainforest in Queensland. The oldest tropical rainforest in the world, this site is a living museum of ancient flora and fauna. Here you'll find plants that have been around since prehistoric times, a true testament to the Earth's ability to preserve its precious treasures. Moving on to number 19, we find ourselves in the mesmerizing Whitsunday Islands. A collection of 74 islands, this paradise is a sailor's dream. The clear turquoise waters, the pristine beaches, and the stunning coral reefs create a picture-perfect postcard setting that is second to none. At number 18, it's time to explore the heritage-rich Fremantle in Western Australia. Known for its maritime history and Victorian architecture, Fremantle is a cultural melting pot. From the bustling markets to the old prison tours, there's a story waiting to be discovered at every corner. Our 17th spot takes us to the heart of the country, Uluru. Also known as Ayers Rock, this iconic sandstone monolith holds a sacred place in indigenous culture. As the sun sets, the rock changes color, creating a spectacle that will leave you in awe of nature's grandeur. Finally, at number 16, we have the Great Ocean Road in Victoria. One of the world's most scenic coastal drives, this road trip offers breathtaking views of limestone cliffs, wildlife, and the famous 12 Apostles. It's not just a drive, it's an experience that encapsulates Australia's diverse landscapes. And those were places 20 to 16. The beauty doesn't stop. Getting closer to the top, at number 15 we have the vibrant city of Fremantle. Nestled at the mouth of the Swan River, Fremantle is a paradise for history buffs with its well-preserved Victorian and Edwardian streetscapes. The Fremantle markets and the fascinating Maritime Museum are must-see attractions in this charming port city. Coming in at 14th place, we find the enchanting Grampians National Park. With its rugged mountain ranges, diverse wildlife, and breathtaking waterfalls, it's a haven for hikers and nature lovers. The park's indigenous rock art sites add an extra layer of intrigue, making it a destination that's as rich in culture as it is in natural beauty. On to number 13, where the serene Kangaroo Island awaits. As Australia's third largest island, it's home to a remarkable range of wildlife, from kangaroos and koalas to sea lions and diverse bird species. The island's pristine beaches and rugged cliffs offer a stunning backdrop to this wildlife wonderland. At number 12, we have the awe-inspiring Purnululu National Park. This remote wilderness in Western Australia is famous for the Bungle Bungle Range, a series of striking black and orange striped sandstone domes. These geological wonders, along with the park's ancient Aboriginal art, make Purnululu a truly unique destination. Our 11th spot takes us to the tropical paradise of the Whitsunday Islands. With their crystal-clear waters, powder-soft beaches, and colourful coral reefs, these islands are a dream for beach bums and snorkelers alike. Don't miss the chance to sail around this archipelago and soak up its breathtaking beauty. And those were places 15 to 11. Can you guess what's next? Breaking into the top 10, at number 10 we have the pristine Whitsundays, a collection of 74 tropical islands tucked in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef. A paradise for snorkelers, divers, and beach lovers alike. Coming in at number 9 is the ancient Daintree rainforest. Its dense green foliage, brimming with unique wildlife, is a testament to the timeless beauty of nature. A must-visit for eco-adventurers. At number 8, we find the rugged charm of the Kimberley region. With its dramatic landscapes, cascading waterfalls, and mysterious Aboriginal rock art, it's a place that sparks the spirit of exploration. Nudging into the 7th spot is the vibrant city of Melbourne. Its eclectic mix of architecture, art, and coffee culture offers a unique urban experience. At number 6, we have the breathtaking Fraser Neck National Park. Its crystal-clear waters, white sand beaches, and pink granite peaks offer a visual feast for all who visit. And those were places 10 to 6. Are you ready for the top 5? Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. At number 5 we have the breathtaking Whitsundays, a tropical paradise of crystal-clear waters and stunning coral reefs. At 4, the serene Daintree rainforest teeming with extraordinary biodiversity. Number 3 takes us to the majestic Blue Mountains, known for their dramatic cliffs and eucalyptus forests. Second is the iconic Uluru, a sacred red rock formation in the heart of the Outback. And finally, the unrivaled Great Barrier Reef, a World Heritage Marine Wonder. And there you have it. Those were the top 5 most beautiful places in Australia. And there you have it. A countdown of the 30 most stunning spots in Australia. This journey, full of natural wonders and vibrant cities, hopefully sparks your curiosity. So those were the 30 most beautiful places in Australia. We hope this list inspires you to explore the beauty that Australia has to offer. Until next time.